তারপরে ওরা তো আইনে হারে যাবে,
সাংঘাতিকভাবে হারবে,
তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
এবং কোর্টে শোকজ করে ফেলতে পারে,
হ্যাঁ
তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
কোর্টে শোকজ
3 doctors.
যে জিজ্ঞেস করতে ভালো লাগলো যে যদি ঠিক আছে আমি মনে করলাম she has hanged. What is the mood of hanging? Tell me what is the mood of hanging? Then they must disclose that the mood of hanging is either fracture of aortic process or rupture of the transverse ligament. Now you are telling that this is the hanging. So what structure has destroyed? Whether aortic process or transverse ligament? What about with the transverse ligament? So show me the evidence.
When I asked about why you have not taken X-ray, he was telling me, he got angry and he was telling me not need to take the X-rays, not necessary. I said,
fine.
how can you confirm then? How can you confirm your external finding and internal findings? It should match. He did not answer then. And I said,
They have very shallow knowledge.
and corrupted most,
And politically they have promoted as professor. Political professors they are. Not
knowledge.
they are by virtue of their knowledge, by virtue of their experience.
মাহফুজ হাফিজ কেমন? মাহফুজ হাফিজ আর আমার চৌধুরী নাকি
সবাই এরকম।
ওইটাই বলি।
তবে they are hostile with the other team. They are hostile to the previous team.
You know that day it was very dramatic. When I had not seen the post-mortem report yet. When I came and I asked the principal, I don't believe that by finding on her external body, I don't believe that it is suicide. Then he was saying why. I said this, it is not a hanging mark, it is a mark does not match with the ligation material. This is my first point. Then I said apart from that there is manual strangulation mark. And I asked him how can it be that she commit suicide when these marks are there. And he said if it is manual strangulation, these fingers will come on the left side of Rauda's and this thumb will come on Rauda's right side. I said same thing. It is there. Then he showed me the picture. I asked what are these marks. Then immediately he took a piece of paper from his pocket and said this is the medical definition of birthmark. I said I am not Dr. Suppose I am a 10th class student. Keep aside this definition. Can you tell me what is birthmark? He said it's there from the beginning at birth. And I asked can it come after 21 years of life? He said no. And I said I am her father. Why I have not seen this thing before? And she is an international model. All the photographs are there. Nobody has seen these things. What your explanation?
Yes.
He did not answer my question. Then I was asking him how he knows without writing in the post-mortem report about this birthmark. This is a birthmark is the importance of medical legal identity. I said without writing this in this autopsy report, why he thought that I would ask when I come? Why he has prepared it and pre-written this definition?
You may show her passport and passport have every sign of
face.
So you have to produce your passport.
And passport and other photographs.
Childhood photographs.
Passport has a specification that there is have
birthmarks.
Yeah.
Especially on
yes, in passport it is written that there is a birthmark. Yes. It is important.
It is important.
Birthmark is highly specific that for that very person.
Yes.
Yes, it is very important.
And in autopsy report they have to mention about these things also and photograph.
আচ্ছা একটু বসো।
পিঠে রাখছিস এই ঘরে এখনো রাখছিস
কি যে পাউডার মনে হয়
দেখি নাকি কোর না তাহলে birthmark is present from very birth.
Yes, is present from
and it is to be noted in her passport.
Yes.
But then in her passport there is nothing about this.
No.
Birthmarks are usually one single. But where is the 3 marks?
And that also looks like the finger pads, tips, strangulation bruises.
তাহলে লেফট সাইডের একটা ছবি থাকা দরকার ছিল।
Left side photo I don't have.
Yes.
I don't have left side photo. Right side.
If there is a photograph of the left side. Then another mark was.
Yes.
You have to not notice.
Notice that, yes. It's there, but he has not given, I think, purposely that picture to me.
Yes.
It was there. I have seen in the Maldives police photos, among the photos it was there. And I think this purposely, this fellow has not given to me. I got it by some talk, actually. He was not thinking I will take this issue that much. So just I was thinking, I want to see the legation mark. Can you show me the photos? So then he showed the photos. He transferred the photos to my phone. Then after that, I asked the question, raised the question, what are these bath marks?
These photographs have not taken by you.
No. It is from his own phone. He has given me in presence of principal and other two persons.
And left side have been omitted. It is possible that there is a fingerprint or there is a mark on the left side as well.
It was there. It was there. Even I showed it to the police officer when I went to the mortuary. The body was shown to me. I said my daughter did not die of suicide. She is strangulated to death. This is the thumb impression. I showed him directly. I showed him. See, this is there. I tried to take the pictures. They stopped me. Don't take the pictures.
Most likely there are the fingerprints on the left side as well.
Yes.
This is on one side and this is the 2 or 3 in the right side.
Yes, it was there. There's too much fishy thing in this.
Now the report of the X-ray is very important.
Very important.
Vital.
Yes, vital.
Whether there is a fracture of the odontoid process or not. If the odontoid process is not fractured, then it is definitely not hanging.
See, that is the thing. See, he has told. I said, how can you confirm these findings when you have not taken X-ray? The standard procedure is the standard procedure is once they open the neck, whether positive finding or negative finding, whatever finding, they have to take the color photos of this, keep it recorded. They don't done anything.